It is sea catfish. Is nice sea catfish. Bangla is kain magur. Magur fish is cutting to split and head and body. This body is cutting split. Many piece 2, 3, 4 is this body is cutting now. Piece and piece doing piece and piece. Next step, snack fish head cut. This body is to split fin and head inside. And Katie is cleaning now. This fish is egg, fish egg, nice egg, and baby egg to side. And color is yellow. This egg fish. This patty is split 2 and 3 piece. Nice piece. This fin side is cutting now. Many split and 2 or 3 piece, 4 piece. This fish, stuck fish head cleaning now, and next step is cutting, and head is to split now. Thank you, my audience. Please comment and subscribe.